Escape to your very own South Carolina retreat, where serene lake views and peaceful surroundings set the stage for endless possibilities. This 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath home is situated on a scenic lot, offering the perfect canvas for someone ready to transform a property into their dream residence. Private retreat with direct access to a screened-in porch, the ideal spot to enjoy morning coffee or watch the sun set over the tranquil pond. This connection to the outdoors adds a sense of calm and harmony throughout the home. For those with hobbies, crafts, or projects, the property's detached 1,040 square foot garage/workshop is a rare feature. Complete with its own electric meter and full bathroom, this space provides flexibility for creative work, storage, or even a personal studio. The attached garage and basement add even more options for expansion or functional living space. Outside, the scenic pond and surrounding lot provide endless opportunities for outdoor enjoyment, from casual fishing and boating to garden projects or family gatherings. The property is ready to accommodate a variety of lifestyles, combining both privacy and convenience in one remarkable location. While this home requires renovation, it presents a unique chance to craft a truly one-of-a-kind residence in the highly desirable Traveler's Rest area. Bring your imagination and vision and turn this lakeview property into the ultimate personal retreat or family haven.